With all the massive hurricane damage that happened these past months, I called in my good buddies, the limb walkers. There's Robert over there with the chainsaw. Here's Dan over here. Remember, he's silent. He's throwing ropes up into the trees. All of these trees that you see leaning over the schoolhouse could have destroyed our entire operation. Today, we need to protect it. I've never seen a bigger chainsaw. Look at that thing, man. How many cleanup missions have you been on with all of these hurricanes?
I can't count.
Okay.
I can't even count.
Well,
I hear there's another one coming actually too.
Yeah, I heard that too. And George and I are ready to take Deanna on a plane, whether she likes it or not, and we're going back to Hale's headquarters. Okay, what's the plan up here? I see Dan throwing ropes and everything already.
Oh, the plan is I don't even know. It's such chaos.
Okay.
There's so much still to do, and pretty much every one of these trees are a sketchy, risky tree.
Not only those ones over there, but Deanna, if you point the camera, you see these two giant pines over here? We're so fortunate those didn't fall on our storage or our sorting area as well. So, all right, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I mean, how many trees do you think? 15 trees. You're on chainsaw. I'm on the hawk, the tractor. You told me from the beginning they gotta go. Yeah.
Listen, these trees are endangering this building so badly, and this is why we have national and state forests. That's the protected trees. Yeah. These trees are your everyday pines.
They gotta go.
The only thing they're doing is putting us.
Well, even look at this monster pine over here. Since this pine is leaning so much, it could actually destroy the original 100-year-old building, which is right over here where we see all the brick. This is the original schoolhouse. This white brick, that's an addition. This is the original. It's been here for 100 years, and that pine wasn't that big, and we want to keep it here for another 100.
Jeremy said this is the biggest saw he's ever seen. We brought a bigger saw. I'll show you. This is the Steel 660.
Oh my goodness.
What a powerhouse. And as you can see, it's quite a bit bigger than the
Woo!
other one.
He's gonna love that.
Now I gotta pick everything up with the hawk, with the claw. Know what that tree was in my claw right now? That was my favorite palm tree.
That's what we call light or not. What it is it's dead pine. And what happens is all the sap from the whole pine will all run down and concentrate down to the stump. And it creates what we call light or not. This stuff is super, super flammable.
Smells really good too. Very piney.
All you need to do is take a little stick like that, and if I had a lighter, you'd light it, it would instantly engulf in flames. The people up north will know exactly what I'm talking about. But this stuff right here is valuable. Love it.
Smells good.
Even though we've completely let the branch down, the vines have not.
The vines are strong. Sending up
Take a care package to Dan.
a little care package.
Capri Sun and water.
Turn! Turn! Deanna, turn!
Oh, I didn't know you were talking to me. Woo! It's dangerous around here.
Get another
Woo!
grab. Grab it again.
I'll get it. Is that AC right there?
Oh, well, it doesn't
so
work
cool.
anyway.
I'm running back so fast that the hawk is overheating. I had to stop it. It's going, danger, danger, danger.
Is that big leaning tree? We're gonna run it through a pulley over there as a redirect. Hook in the truck, and we're gonna crank it over.
Look how close it got to where they had it tied off. Woo, that's a big tree.
My stuff's over.
I don't know how these guys with limb walkers do it, but we wanted to save all the palms on the property as much as possible. And look at how close they got the pine to fall right by the palm tree. This is incredible.
What's the deal with the no brakes? Is there really no brakes, or
does he just not know how to use them? I mean, I don't know.
There he goes. Look at that inside the tree. It looks like a flower in there. Wow.
You stopped me for something that looks like a flower?
Yes.
I got to go!
This is the rotten pine he showed us earlier, George.
Have you ever seen the inside of a rotten tree? Come look right over here. Robert and Dan with limb walkers saved the day here at the schoolhouse. The wind would have taken this pine and it would have landed right on the schoolhouse and just chopped the roof right in half. Who knows? I could have been standing under the roof. You could have been standing on the roof, but we're safe now. This next pine right here, and they're estimating that the pine will fall straight this way. Here it comes! Timber! Woo! Did you, that like, the entire schoolhouse shook along with my body.
You need a ride?
when we're lazy and we don't feel like climbing, we grab the chainsaw and the stick.